Moving is hard, and today I want to share with you a few tips on having a stress-free moving experience with kids. If we have not met, my name is LaShanda Green, local realtor in Metro Atlanta. I provide tips on just about everything related to real estate. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button or bell for notifications so you'll never miss a video with me. Moving is hard. It's hard for you, who makes the plans and actually does the moving, but it's especially hard on kids. Kids thrive when they feel safe and their environment is predictable. And moving to a new home changes both of those things. So here are a few ways to make a big move a bit less stressful for your kids. Number one, discuss the move with your kids in advance. The more time your kids have to process their feelings about having a new house with a new room, potentially switching schools, making new friends, the better and quicker they'll adapt. The sooner you can talk to your kids about the move, the better it is. It's important they have time to say goodbye to friends and prepare themselves for the big change. Number two, research the area with your kids. Helping them understand exactly what the area will be like will help them to adapt quicker once they're moved in. Checking out the school they'll be going to and looking at the pictures of the neighborhood and local attractions online can help them feel more prepared once the big day arrives, and can also help them get excited about their new beginnings. And finally, number three, keep them involved. Encourage them to pack their own things, discuss how they want their room decorated, take them along to decide paint colors for the house, or maybe even help them organize a goodbye party. Any way you can include them in the process of the move will keep them in the loop and alleviate any anxiety that they may have about the big change. Ultimately, kids, just like adults, want to feel prepared going into a big life adjustment. The big difference is that adults have the ability to actually prepare, while kids usually completely are reliant on their parents to do the preparation. It's that lack of control that adds that stress, so making sure they're in the loop with the entire process will make the move easier on everyone. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your likes and subscriptions help my channel reach more people that would love to see these tips. Thanks for watching.